Hi, everybody. This is Verna from StampinNotes.com, and I wanted to share with you my January 2023 Sweet Notes Card Club. Sweet Notes Card Club is a monthly subscription creation that comes to your door and a little box just for you, all ready to put together. And we're going to feature some beautiful birthday cards or Valentine cards with the Country Bouquet Bundle. And this is the bundle. It has this beautiful punch here, the Country Bouquet punch, and also Country Bouquet stamp set. It's gorgeous with the floral images here. There's a two-step heart image. I'm trying to keep this from the glare bothering you, so that's why I'm holding it so upright here. And this is a photopolymer stamp set. And the punch is made to coordinate with the gorgeous designer series paper, the floral Country Lane designer series paper, which you will get a half a pack of this in your kit. And I just want to show this to you. It's absolutely beautiful. The patterns in it just reminds me of the area that I live in rural Western New York State. Beautiful country life. And gorgeous patterns. I love this. And this is made to coordinate with the punch. The punch will punch out these images all at once, the heart, the leaves, and the small heart. And that blue pattern, balmy blue. And then if we turn it over, you can see some of the other patterns in this paper. Our papers have patterns on both sides. There's these gorgeous hearts and stripes. The red is Sweet Sorbet, which is one of our new in colors. And Balmy Blue. Petal Pink is another color that's used in this pack. And here's a Petal Pink with small little white dainty hearts. Here's Petal Pink with Hugs and Kisses, X's and O's. So that is a gorgeous paper. These are the featured cards in this month's kit. This one has, we use designer series paper just to showcase the beauty of it. Here's another one. And I've made these, you could do Valentine's Day. I've done Happy Birthday on most of these. Here's one, it has an embossed background. And here's one that looks like an envelope. I've used a basic border die, and this is embossed. So everything will come pre-cut for you, or embossed, or die cut, like these dies here, die cuts here. All you have to do is cut the designer series paper or punch it. You will get enough to make 2 of each of these cards, so 8 cards. And then you will also get about $23 worth of Stampin' Up product in this kit, and that will include a pack of the petal adhesive or pastel adhesive back sequins, a spool of the beautiful balmy blue and white variegated ribbon. I love this ribbon. It's so easy to work with and just beautiful. And you can see the bows are just gorgeous. And then, of course, a half a pack of this gorgeous designer series paper. You will also get priority shipping, a PDF tutorial that will include at least 2 other card tutorials. So not just the 4 cards, but there will be 2 more. And also a video tutorial of how to put the cards together. And the cost is just $39. And the registration closes around the 12th this month. They will be sent out around the 22nd. And I just wanted to let you know about this. I will have a link in the description below where you can register for this class. It's a great way to build up your birthday cards or Valentine's Day cards, whichever you would like to use them for, or just to say, tell someone, hey, I love you. So I hope that you enjoyed seeing this, and that if you want to email me with questions, my email is vernastamps@gmail.com. And take care.